Good morning, students. So, we will continue with chapter number 10. So, these topics introduction of spreadsheet and what is the working of spreadsheet and how can open these things. So, all all are discussed about the spreadsheet. So in short we see these topics. Spreadsheet is a collection of rows and columns and lots of spreadsheet softwares available in market. So one of them is ms excel 2010. Why we use? So use of useful in the areas where information requires mathematical and statistical calculation. If we need to critical calculation in mathematics, you can use and simply get the result. Okay, so now we are moving on how to start ms excel 2010. So click on the start button and all program. Here is the dialog box. Start and Microsoft Excel 10. Click on that and open this is the appearance of this window. If you need to open, here we have lots of options available: sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. This is the sheet tab, and title bar is also here. So we will discuss all these points regarding this. So screen elements of ms excel 2010. Title bar, it represents at the uppermost part of the screen. It displays the name of the current document and program. It also contains minimize, maximize and close button. Here we can see book 1 and Microsoft is a name of the document, and these are three buttons: minimize, maximize and close button. Okay, so if you need to save your file, excel file, so your saved name shows here, replaced by the book 1. So this is our by default. We see here book 1, and this is about title bar. So now we are moving on next. This is about quick access toolbar. So if you need to reach any option quickly, so you use quick access toolbar. It is a part of the title bar and help us to perform common task with a single click. Okay, if you need to save any file, you see quick access toolbar and click on that and quickly save it. Okay, so if you need to see the uh, use the option, you use quick access toolbar. And now we are moving ribbon. It contains two parts: tabs and groups. Each tab consists of commands arrangement in different groups. Okay, so here we have ribbon. So font ribbon is here, alignment group is here, number group is here. If you need to perform any operation of font, so if you need to change the font size, you use here. You can see here, this is the uh, font style: bold, italic, underline, font color change, background color change of font, and provide the size of font. So this is the group of font. Okay, now alignment. If you need to type any text, you have some alignment: left alignment, right alignment and center alignment. So if you need to align any text, you can apply from the alignment group. Okay, these are the groups. Clipboard group is the different, cut, copy, paste here. And now we are moving on numbers. If you need to do formatting on numbers for percentage, dollar sign, when you need to use wrap text is you need to use. So these are the number, and style is also here. So these are the groups on ribbon. This is the ribbon, this is the title bar, and this is the quick access toolbar. And now we are moving on sheet tab. So this is the sheet tab. Here sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. So when we open ms excel 2010, by default we see three sheets: sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. If you need to expand in sheet 4, you can click here and you can expand as per your requirement: sheet 4, sheet 5, sheet 6. So this is about sheet tab. Now we are moving on status bar. So this is the status bar. If you have some text on your worksheet, so if you need to show status of that data, so you see here you will see here ready option is here. When we open your worksheet, so you can see ready, your worksheet is ready for use. And now here zoom in, zoom out in here regarding your text. If you need to zoom in, you can arrange by this option. If you have some digits like 20, 50, 30, so if we when we select these digits, you can see some of these digits and how many digits are here. So count and some regarding all types of text shows all the information or your status bar. So this is about status bar. Now we are moving on next, workbook and worksheet. So the collection of worksheet is called workbook. So we have three worksheet, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. So collection of worksheet is called workbook. Okay, so it is like a notebook having number of pages in it. Each new workbook by default have three worksheet, which already discussed about sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 by default. Now we are moving on. Next worksheet is made up of horizontal rows and vertical column cells. So this is about rows and columns. Now we are moving on here. What is the range of rows? So range of row is for 48,576. This is the uh, range of rows. Now we are talking about columns. So column denotes by the characters a b c d. So a to z, when we complete a to z, now continue with combination of alphabets like a b a c a d. When a of combination complete, v c v d b b a. So this is about up to x f d. So the range of columns are 16,384 columns in it. So this is about range, rows and columns. Now we are moving on cell. The intersection of rows and columns is known as cell. And cell pointer, if you need to enter any data in your worksheet, so when we entering on your data, this is called active cell, selected cell. Okay, so this is about today's period. Now we will discuss the next topic in your next session. Okay, thank you.